Spider-Man body paint on the arm tutorial. Okay, how you guys doing? So right now you can see what supplies we're going to be using. I'm using Snazaroo paint, Snazaroo face paint. Okay, you're going to need a red, black, and white, a medium brush, and 2 small brushes. I'm going to be using my 9-year-old son Christian as my model. Right there we had a spray bottle with our water. Okay, so you're going to grab that medium brush after you wet your paint. Mix it around real good. And then you're going to ask your model or whoever you're working on or painting on to spread their fingers a little bit. Start about midway through the forearm. Just give it a nice good coat of red paint. And the brushes I use, I like to get some of those makeup brushes sometimes from, I can't name the stores, but you know, they hold paint pretty well. They hold paint pretty well. See, it's a clear coat, nice even coat. Now I may have used too much water, so it can be a little wet. If it's wet, just fan it to dry a little bit. I'm gonna start with my black now, one of the small brushes. I'm just gonna draw a straight line down from the top of the forearm to the crease of the fingers. In between the fingers is where I'm gonna go with that line. See, right now I'm gonna put 4 lines, but if you need more lines on either side, you just add another line to make it look a little even. You don't want to have too big of a space. There you go. You see that? And I can see right now on the side, I need 1 more line on each side. So I'm gonna add that line a little bit later, but right now I'm just gonna put the little web-like things. I don't know what they're called. They're gonna be web-like things today. And just go all the way down to the tip of the finger. It's about the nail. It's real simple, real easy. When you have a line of kids at a birthday party or at an event, you know, you gotta be kind of fast. So this takes about 5 minutes or less. Go all the way down to the nail with that black paint. And be sure too, when you're on the fingers, kind of have the lines even with each other. See, I'm adding the extra line on the side because it was too big of a space right there. Doing the outside. Now I'm going to do that inside next. Okay, so now we have all of our black on top of the red. See, I'm adding the extra line a little bit. Just, I'm gonna grab the other small brush. The next small brush, I'm gonna get a little white. I'm just gonna do this for the highlights. This is for the highlight. Let's give it that pop and that wow factor customers like to see. You're just gonna go next to every black line you just put. It's real quick, real simple. Keep adding those white lines. Now that we're almost done, you see at the mid forearm. Okay, now we're gonna try to make that look like it's coming from up under the skin. So all we're gonna do is add like some little lightning lines, like it's breaking through the skin. It's gonna look like lightning, you know. I'm gonna use the black for that to start it off. See, it's looking good. Spider-Man hand. If you have time, you can do full arm 360, you know, but like I say, when you're working the party, you know you gotta go. And those kids get impatient and they're excited and they're jumping on each other and just waiting for you to finish. And this is not my best work, but you know, it's just tutorial showing you guys something new. Some of you may have done this before, some may have not. If you have, just let me know, you know, leave a message, comment, you know, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. I try to make it as simple as possible for you guys. And voila, Spider-Man. Thank you.